Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove unwanted object from your video in CapCut. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, we're going to remove this object from this video. I'm going to remove the cup of coffee right here, and first of all, we can click on the clip or the video, and we're going to duplicate this clip. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find the duplicate option. Click on this duplicate option, and now the clip has been duplicated, and we're going to make it as an overlay. Tap on the overlay button and drag the clip like this, right? And we're gonna put mask to the second clip. Tap on the second clip, and you're going to scroll all the way to the right again until you find the mask option. Okay, and here you can select the type of the mask you would like to use, and I'm going to select the circle mask, and we can adjust the size of the mask and take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. And for example, I'm going to take this part, all right, and click on this check mark button, and we can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can also rotate the mask. You can use both of your fingers to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and I think it's done. Then we can click on this check mark button. Sorry, we can click on this arrow button. Alrighty. Alright, and this is the result, and I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove unwanted object in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.